I'm recording.
Right, so we're just waiting for the clock to strike again.
Yes.
It struck just now at 2 o'clock and is it 2 o'clock?
I am not sure if the sound is very good when I record.
It's probably going to be quite loud, so just be ready for it. It's gonna be good if it just goes in there, like you can see go boom boom 3 times.
I hope my calculation was right.
Totally awesome. We could actually catch it on video.
I see it's like 11:56 earlier,
Yeah.
so I hope it's a few seconds more.
Yeah. Well, as you know, this is an old clock. It's been around for 107 years. You can't expect to be that accurate. I mean,
You can say what's not accurate, you know?
Meanwhile, I am just going.
Okay. It didn't strike. Just gonna wait.
Exciting! I didn't strike. Nothing happens. There you go.
Oh yeah.
3 o'clock.
One more time.
3 o'clock.